Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Amazon Echo second generation not working. Let's get started. First, look at your Echo, make sure it's plugged in properly. Check the light ring. No lights means it has no power. Orange light means it's connecting to Wi-Fi. Red light means the microphone is off. If you see a red light, press the mic button on the top to turn it back on. Now unlock your iPhone and open the Amazon Alexa app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on plus icon at the top of your screen, then tap on device and then select Amazon Echo. Choose your Echo device from the list. If your Echo isn't responding, it may not be connected to Wi-Fi. In the Alexa app, tap your Echo device, tap Wi-Fi network, reconnect to your home Wi-Fi. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, restart your Echo, unplug it from the power, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait until the light turns blue or orange, then try saying Alexa. If it's still not working, you may need to reset the Echo. Press and hold the microphone up and volume down button together for about 20 seconds until the light turns orange. Then set it up again using the Alexa app on your phone. And that's it. These simple steps should fix your Amazon Echo second generation if it's not working. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.